What are the best ways to maintain a car battery during non-use?
Hello, and welcome to another car care tutorial. Today, we're going to delve into an often overlooked aspect of vehicle maintenance: car battery care during periods of non-use. If you're planning to leave your car idle for a while, you need to know how to maintain your battery so it remains in optimal condition. Let's get started.
Why is car battery maintenance important?
To begin with, it's essential to understand why car battery maintenance is so important. Car batteries can discharge over time when not in use, leading to a state known as a dead battery. This condition can not only prevent your car from starting, but it may also shorten the lifespan of your battery. So, keeping your car battery well maintained when you're not driving is a key factor in your vehicle's overall health.
How to maintain a car battery during non-use?
Here are some effective strategies to keep your car battery healthy. Disconnect the battery if you're not going to use your car for a while. Disconnecting the battery is a simple and effective way to prevent battery drain. Just remember to disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid any potential short circuit. Use a battery maintainer or trickle charger. A battery maintainer or trickle charger is a device that provides a constant low-level charge to your car battery, keeping it from discharging without overcharging it. This is particularly helpful for longer periods of non-use. Regularly start the car if possible. Start your car and let it run for at least 15 minutes every couple of weeks. This will recharge the battery and keep the engine in good shape. But remember, idle charging is not as effective as driving for charging your battery.
What are other tips to keep a car battery healthy?
Aside from the tips mentioned above, here are a few more you might find helpful. Check the battery regularly. Regularly inspect your battery for signs of corrosion or leakage. A clean and dry battery is a healthy battery. Keep the battery fully charged before you store your car. Ensure that the battery is fully charged. A fully charged battery is less likely to freeze in cold temperatures and generally stays healthier during storage. That's all for this tutorial on car battery maintenance during non-use. Remember, good maintenance not only extends the life of your car battery but also helps prevent inconvenient breakdowns. So, follow these tips and keep your car battery healthy. We hope this guide was helpful, and stay tuned for more car care tips.